Today's question is from Chaitali Garayan. Ma'am, suggest me a sewing machine for starting a small business. So, starting a small business, there are so many sewing machines in the market. And what should be the purpose? What should be the budget? What the features you should choose? And what speed you need for your small sewing business? And what type of machine? Because there are many different types of machines, different budgets, different models, plastic machines and heavy duty machines, half shuttle machines, full shuttle machines, umbrella machines, industrial machines, domestic machines, manual machines. There are so many, a number of machines. Which is the best machine that you should go for? Hello everyone, I'm Dimple Anand and I welcome you on stitchingworld.com. So today we answer the question of Chetali Garan. Suggest me a sewing machine for starting small business. Chetali, it depends. Your question and the answer to it depends on many factors because there are a number of sewing machines. If you say a small sewing business, it could be the one operated by you and you alone, where you'll be stitching in your spare time. And the second thing, maybe the budget, and then what type of services you want to give your customers. Assuming many factors, assuming many things which are not stated in this question, I try to answer you in the best possible manner. If we start from the beginning, you may start with a very basic manual sewing machine, then or the treadle machine where you have the table like this the machine with treadle where you don't have electricity but you can operate the machine. And moving forward to automatic zigzag machine or umbrella machine with a serger or a complete set. I assume you want to start your business from a cozy corner of your home or a separate room in your home where you could do the stitching services, or you could provide the stitching services and do the overlocking, small embroidery, designing, all these small things for your customers and create beautiful dresses. Considering that, if your budget, we start with I don't suggest go for manual sewing machine until and unless you have electricity problem in your area, or you are really very tight on your budget that you can spare only 5 to 6,000. So if you can spare 8,000 onwards, we straight away go to automatic zigzag machines. Because that way, if you go for automatic zigzag machines, that way you save a lot of time and energy. And in a single machine you can also create the buttonhole, picot, beading. You can give additional services to your customers. That way you have the added advantage to charge more from your customers, and the finishing is also good. So if you choose, as you ask, starting small business, if you want to start really small, like maybe 2 3 dresses or suits or blouses for your customers, and it's a simple light to medium fabrics, then going for the most popular sewing machines, that is Dream Stitch in India, Usha Janome Dream Stitch. So going for this machine would be a good option. The stitching per minute would be 550 SPM. That is the bare minimum. So you'll like operating it quite easy, and the easy, 7 inbuilt stitches, that will be quite easy. And this machine is loaded with all the basic features, all everything that you need for a basic machine. Overlocking feature in a basic machine you don't have, but that thing can be achieved, that overlocking or the finishing thing can be done by using zigzag stitch for overlock purpose, or the local or the basic customers, they are pretty comfortable with the basic zigzag stitch for overlocking purposes or finishing the internal seams. Because in my boutique, or while I was operating from home, I also tried this technique and I saw the results were pretty good. Alternatively, you can also do, if you are using a budget friendly basic machine, you can also use that picot foot to finish the inside seams if needed, like in the zigzag itself, you can make different alternatives. For that purpose, I had shared like one video related to 4 different ways to overlock. On this channel itself, you will get that video. So this is one machine, Dream Stitch, that would be in the range of like 7,000 to 10,000 depending on the discount available. So I'll provide the link in the below description. You can check that for the current price. So this is one basic machine. Secondly, if you want to go higher on speed, you are not pretty satisfied with the 550 SPM, you need more inbuilt stitches or more speed, like 850 speed, 850, 860 speed. Then Usha Janome Allure Deluxe or Allure is also good. Here you get more features like 13 inbuilt stitches, 21 those stitch functions and all. So you get more stitches and designing options. Besides, the speed of the machine is better, machine body is more durable. So here, this is another machine. This machine comes around a range of like 13,000 to 15,000. So a link I'll provide, whatever is the discount, you can check in the link that I'll give in the description. So this is one pretty good machine if you are in a like 14,000, 13,000 budget range. Then one more reliable machine, because the Singer machines are more durable, servicing is good, demo is good. If available, because most of the time Singer machines are not available, or in your area there may be some reasons that the particular spare parts or the machine dealer or showroom is not available. In that case, you may have difficulty, and then you may need to go for Usha Janome or some other Brother or Burnett or other models. But if Singer is available, then 8280 is a good model, sturdy model. Speed is good, like a 750 onwards you get the speed, and you can get about 6 to 7 dresses done at your home, at your convenience, with all your picot, fall, buttonhole making, 4-step buttonhole, all these budget machines that comes within the range of 7,000 to 15,000. You get 4-step buttonholing, and then the basic manual dial design selector, and good frame where you can select the stitching width and thread tension, and you get that free arm of the machine for circular stitching, bulb, and easy bobbin winder, auto bobbin winder. These features you get with all these machines, so no need to worry about that. So next machine, that is Wonder Stitch. This is also one of the top like most popular machine, Wonder Stitch from Usha Janome. This also comes in the range of your 14,000, 13,000 to 16,000 range it comes, and you can check the link for the current price. So here also you get 13 more in stitch options, and stitching speed is also 860. So this is also a budget, in your budget sewing machines. I'm giving you the options because if I give you one particular machine, because your question is not very detailed, I make some assumptions, and based on that I'm suggesting you these machines. So depending on what machine, what budget fits, and what features you want, you can choose these machines. The basic criteria is, if the cost is low, of course the features will be low. The 7 inbuilt stitches you basically get in a 7,000 something, 7,000 to 10,000 rupees machine. But as the price goes, as your budget increases, of course the features, the inbuilt stitches also increase. But even then, in the range of that Allure Deluxe, Wonder Stitch, Singer 8280, in these machines the speed of the machine would be like pretty good, like medium, for medium level home, small sewing business, the speed would be good, like 700 to 860 you get the speed, so you get your work pretty good. So here I come to a slightly bigger machine, that is Stitch Magic from Usha Janome. Here you get more comparatively more design options, like inbuilt stitches 57, and then auto threader, auto needle threader, and the machine is more sturdy. Then overlock, another the feature added is overlock, and you get satin stitch and all these things where you can choose and do in use in your boutique. This machine I have, and I used it in my boutique also. You can make about 5 to 6 dresses in your boutique or small boutique business. Only thing you can basically do light, medium, or light to medium to heavy fabrics, not very heavy. If you want to do denim stitch or denim fabric, then you have to use the needle 16 number or 18 number, and you have to be careful that the shuttle area is clean, whichever machine you choose. So another machine, though there may be some more machines, but I'm giving you some of the best so that decision making is easier for you. So another machine that you can go for, that this is quite popular also and people are loving it, and this is Brother FS101. This is a computerized machine, and it needs a memory card comes with it, and it has 101 inbuilt stitches also. So recently I gave some reviews on Stitching or Hindi channel if you want to know more about this machine. So this is one of the particular machine, computerized machines. Generally, I don't suggest to first time buyers, because if you don't have a manual machine or a spare machine, especially in a business where customers are on your head and they want deliveries fast or they want their clothes made, then in the last minute it may be a difficulty for you in case your computerized machine has some problem or creates some difficulty and locally you are not able to get a mechanic to fix it in any way. With Brother, finding a mechanic or getting a computerized machine fixed may be quite tricky. So a last machine that I quite frequently suggest, especially for boutique businesses or people who want to do a business, a long-term business, this is Singer 4423. This is a heavy duty machine, and why I suggest this, see, if you have been doing a small or any type of sewing business from home, or you want to take your business long time, then you may need to stitch on different type of fabrics. Customers may bring, even in winters they may bring heavy fabrics for denim or any type of fabric, any material you may need to stitch. In that case, Singer 4423 can stitch leather, fur, or a denim, jeans, any type of fabric. It is a heavy duty machine, so it can stitch on all fabrics. Secondly, stitching per minute, that is speed of the machine is more as compared to all these machines that I have suggested earlier. So if you compare this machine with other machines, of course, this is the winner when it comes to durability and the strong machine and maintainable, easy, non-fussy classic machine. So these are some of the machines that you can choose. You can consider. Besides these machines, it's not that these are the ultimate machines. There are some other machines also, like Burnett, or even in Usha Janome also there are many models. Even in Brother there are GS3700, GS2700, and some other models also. But I have suggested some of the best models that are most popular, reliable. People are trusting them and buying them, and these models are serving people very well in their home stitching purposes and boutique purposes also. So let me know if this video is useful to you, and also if there is any question, any query that's coming in your mind, that also you can ask me in the below comment section. Besides, whatever machine you choose, then do share with us, so we also suggest you what are the different recommendations you can have and where you can get the best tutorials or where you can learn them. And The purpose of stitching mall is to help you learn stitching in the best possible way, learn about the best sewing machines, and also help you make money with your sewing hobby or stitching business. Take care. God bless you. See you in the next video.